Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 stocks under $10. Now, the reason I wanted to make this video is because a lot of people think you need hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands of dollars to invest. But in reality, you can find some high quality stocks under 10 bucks. So we're going to be breaking down all of them. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this, hit that like button, subscribe. So guys, let's jump into it. Roll that intro. Hope you guys enjoy it. Come on. Bam. Alrighty guys, so stock number 1 is ticker symbol SOFI. This is also known as SoFi Technologies. The reason I love this one so much is because SoFi is a fintech company. So they're a financial technology company and they are pretty much competitors with everybody in the finance game. SoFi is a mobile app that pretty much has student loan refinance, it has loans, it has credit, debit cards, it has a broker exchange where you can buy and sell stocks, you can buy and sell crypto. They're a competitor with Robinhood, and there's so much more stuff on there that I'm missing. But the beauty of them is we've seen this stock trade for 25 bucks a share. It kind of fell down, establishing some support here at 13, got some buying pressure back up to 24, sold off all the way down, establishing a heavy support down here at about $5.16, and that's where it's at right now, right? We have this tendency to get buying pressure every time it hits this price. Hit it once, twice, 3 times, now 4 times. I definitely think we'll slowly start seeing some buying pressure step in their last earnings report, beating expectations. So during this time of uncertainty, the company's still bringing in heavy amounts of money. Company you can depend on, and company that carries heavy growth. The average analyst price target for this stock is about 17 bucks a share. So this, if you pretty much buy in at 5, you're looking at a possible times 3 profit on this one here. Beautiful stock. Can't wait to see what happens with it. Now, stock number 2 is ticker symbol PLTR, also known as Palantir Technologies. We've seen very similar situation where we saw this stock that was once trading for 30 bucks sell all the way down to about $6 a share. We're on the slowly and steady upward trend here, which is really nice to see. The last earnings beating expectations on the revenue, brought in about $473 million. Now, Palantir is one that definitely is going to be a higher risk, higher reward play for sure. But this company focuses on software and data development, and they have so many contracts with like the U.S. Army. They have contracts with a whole bunch of fantastic companies. Company brings in quite a bit of money, and on top of that, the average analyst price target for this is at about $14 a share. So if I'm wrong about this thing hitting over 20 or 30 or whatever, then you're still looking at a return of rated about 40%, which is pretty good. Palantir for me, definitely one you guys can see. If we go ahead and zoom out, you'll notice that it's been very, very volatile, where in some cases it spiked up to $45, back down to $6. So I definitely think if you're going to try to buy this stock, try to get it under 10. That's going to be the best ROI for sure on this one here. Now, the last and final one here is one that right now we're seeing a lot of growth out of, and that's ticker symbol EGY. Now, this is an energy company, and you'll notice looking at this stock, we had this beautiful upward trend, which is always really nice to see. Their last earnings beating expectations. They brought in about $110 million. On top of that, you guys get a dividend of 3 cents a quarter. Right, and I just want to show you guys some of the crazy finances for this stock. Right, this is all I did was look up the company, but look at this. The revenue is up 136%. The net income is up 156%. The profit margin is up. The diluted EPS, earnings per share, their last earnings call beating expectations on the revenue by 3%. So a company that is absolutely killing it, right, on the revenue and on the fundamentals. And the stock has sold off from $8 all the way to $5. This is a company that's going to be killing it over 10, over 12 in the next couple of years if we just have the same growth. Company that I definitely think carries some potential for sure, guys. So these are all of the top top stocks under 10 bucks. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care, everyone.